British Science Week. Now, we've got 3 learning objectives that we're going to go through. Learning objectives for today: describe qualities of a good and bad scientific poster, interpret graphs on energy usage, and finally, create that scientific poster that we can send off, the topic being innovating for the future. So, question number 1 in your books. Could you have a look at these posters and try and list the good qualities that you can see? Try and aim for 5. Pause the video, have a go. Well done for having a go at that, guys. Some keywords if you were struggling. So again, if you're not happy with what you've written, maybe pause the video again and try and add to it. So what I would like us to do now is continuing for question 1, but we're looking at the poor qualities. So again, some keywords to help you. Pause the video, have a go. Well done for having a go at that, guys. Moving on to question 2. Now, because the topic for British Science Week is innovating for the future, what I'd like us to do is to think about our own energy usage, because in the future we might have to change how we use energy. So this is a graph for you, concentrating on renewable wind turbines. Can you read the question and have a go? Pause the video and try that. So the answer we were looking for was 4 hours, but as in all exam questions like this, we must show our working out. So what I would expect you to do is to have a look at the axes, maybe draw on the graph and work out how much those squares are worth. Well done for having a go at that. All right, question number 3 in your books. Can you have a go at this for me, please? Pause the video, give it a go. So again, you must show your working out. So what I needed you to do was to look at the time on the graph, and it's trying to confuse you because it's 24 hours. So you needed to understand that 15 is actually 3 o'clock. Try and find it on the graph and notice that it goes up at about that time because people are going home from work and school, therefore they need more electricity. Well done for having a go. All right, the final bit. Now this can be done in your books, but if you prefer to do it on paper, then feel free. What we need to do is create a scientific poster, the topic being innovating for the future. So some examples to get you thinking. Maybe you want to think about how we're going to create our food using vertical growing towers. Maybe you want to think about renewable energy and how we're going to create it. Maybe you want to look into robots and how they're going to help us in the future. And maybe you want to have a look at IT. So guys, well done for having a go at that. Remember, the deadline is the 14th of March to get that sent in by.